In this video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone if it is not working on your MacBook. This can help whether you are using the built-in microphone on your MacBook or an external microphone connected to your computer. Let's get started. First, go to your Mac home screen. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then click System Settings. In System Settings, look at the menu on the left side and click Sound. Now scroll down to the Input section. Here, you need to make sure the correct microphone is selected. For example, if you want to use your MacBook's built-in microphone, select MacBook microphone or built-in microphone. If you are using an external microphone, make sure that microphone is selected instead. Next, check the input volume. Make sure the volume slider is turned up so your Mac can properly hear your voice. You can also speak into the microphone and check if the input level is moving. If the bars move while you speak, that means your Mac is detecting your microphone. After that, go back to the left menu and click Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click Microphone. Here, you will see a list of apps that have requested microphone access. Make sure microphone access is turned on for the app you want to use, such as Zoom, Google Chrome, Safari, Discord, QuickTime Player, or any other app. If the app is turned off, simply enable it. After enabling microphone access, close the app and open it again. This helps the app refresh the microphone permission. Now try using your microphone again. If it still does not work, unplug and reconnect your external microphone, restart your Mac, and check again. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.